Welcome to Creative World viewers. Now I am solving exercise problem number 24. In this scenario, we will be using power formula, voltage multiplied by current, and we also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, the element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and the element with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First, read the scenario. Element B in the diagram of figure 1.24 supplies 60 watt of power. Calculate current Ix. This is the diagram. We have to calculate the current. Voltage across the element B is given and it is also indicated that this element B is supplying 60 watt. First, we will try to collect the data given in this scenario. We have to calculate current Ix and voltage across this element is given and the power supplied by this element is also given minus 60 watt. The direction of current will be this according to this black arrowhead. The current will be entering to the plus terminal of element B and leaving from the minus terminal of element B. Data which we retrieved from this scenario is power minus 60 watt. Minus is the indication of power is being supplied and voltage across this element is 24. Using power formula, voltage multiplied by current, entering the values, power is minus 60 and voltage is 24 multiplied by current, and dividing 24 on both sides, we got the value of Ix is equal to minus 2.5 ampere. Here minus indicating that we have taken the wrong direction of current when element B is supplying power. In that case, the direction of current should be opposite to this. That means the current should be leaving from positive terminal and entering to negative terminal. Thank you. See you in next video.